welcome back to my channel. My name is Wakangubani. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. EFF leader Julius Malema has launched a new attack at President Jacob Zuma. Malema has vowed to rebuild his party to ensure it's never again toppled by the ruthless tsunami of the MK party.
Black unity is very necessary, but we can't say black people must be united under the old man. What does the old man have to do with the future? The black unity must be led by the youth, such as Monges, who are part of the solid organization with solid policies. Black unity cannot be led by people who wake up every day and fundraise a new policy, trying to understand what they stand for. Every day they wake up with a new policy because they were not prepared to build a vehicle for black unity. We have a vehicle for black unity, and that vehicle is the EFF.
Now, Asizila. So Julius is using the funeral of EFF's KZN chair's mother to campaign and insult President Zuma. For me, that is disrespectful. If there is one thing I can guarantee, EFF will never grow in KZN. Agobuza umtolo benoduma kwenzakalani modelela uPresident Jacob Zuma. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye-bye.